YouTube, what is up, man? I am back with a new freaking video. Man, I hope y'all doing good, man. I've been living my life good. I've been chilling, you feel me? I've been working. I know I've been gone for a minute. I mean, gone, man. Went to another island, man. But chilling, man, making a new video, an install video today with my Mark 6 GTI, putting some coils in. I'm about to show you guys how to do that. Yeah, but before that, I'm about to eat my hot pocket, cause man, I'm hungry. I have my hot pocket. Oh, damn, that shit spewed out the little hot pocket. Look at the cat behind me. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. They're probably thinking, oh damn, Chris got a new crib. Damn, that junk look nice. This ain't my crib, bruh. I'm just taking care of some dogs and that cat you see in the background. Just taking care of them for the day. I ain't gonna lie, they got a pretty nice house. The funny thing is, the guy that owns this apartment, I work with him. That's not funny, but I'm just saying, it's kind of lit. Boy, I'm about to get hooked up at work, but ooh. I'll show you his two dogs. That's Sammy. Alright. And then this is Chloe over here. What's up, Chloe? What you doing? He got two bulldogs. And he got this cat. This cat is really creepy. Look at it. Her. The creepy cat. The little cat. I low-key don't know what the cat's name is, but cat be looking at me. I was watching TV over here. But the cat was just chilling in the corner staring at me. He coming out to kill me. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I really hate living in Florida. I'm about to show you the reason why right now. Shit is really annoying. You guys probably can't see it, but it is raining. And the weather is so shitty. And I promise you, give it like 20 or 30 minutes. And it's gonna stop raining, and it's gonna be so sunny. Like, it is so annoying. And then this messes up my plans of doing the coils and all that. Because I go to my dad's shop, and you guys probably know, I don't know, yeah, I have put my dad's shop in a video before. It's outside. It has a cover over it, but it's still kind of gonna get wet, you feel me? So I don't know if I'm gonna do the coils today or not, but hopefully we do, because I want to get them on, because one of my struts are actually blown out from when my finger got cut off. You guys know. If you don't know, go watch the video. Hey, but yeah, my strut got blown out, and I knew it did because when I started riding it and I hit a bump, oh, it didn't sound pretty. So, and then I bought some new coils for my brother, because my brother went on bags. So now I'm about to throw his coils on, and man, I got a lot of stuff I have to show you guys. I'm gonna make another video on that, but yeah. Three days later, bro. 3 days later. Monday, it was raining like fucking crazy, and now it's Thursday. And I still haven't put my coils on. I'm so tight. But today's the day. I didn't tell you guys, I already put the backs on last week. Yeah, last week. But I haven't put the fronts on. So I'm gonna show you guys, you know, how to do the fronts. You know, if you guys got Mark 6 out there, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all boys how to do it. These are the babies right here. Some nice D2 coils, some full bodies, you feel me? I had some FKs before. But you know what happened was, the front one, when my car fell, chopped my finger off, that shit got blown out. So I had to cop some new ones. The coils that I'm about to put on right now actually used to be on my brother's car, and he sold them to me because, you know, I was kind of in the struggle, so he knew. Oh, and I got something else from him too, but I'm gonna show you guys in a different video. But I got those coils from him, and now he's on bags, so he's on a whole different level. But I'm about to jack up the car, get my wheel off, and start this install. Alright, so I got the wheel off, and I'm about to show you guys all the stuff that we had to get off to get this freaking coilover out, strut. It's a lot of stuff. It might not seem a lot. It's a couple bolts and stuff, but it's a lot of stuff, it's a lot of work. One, we gotta take this out. It's a special tool that we have. And two, we have to take this end link out. And then there's 3 bolts up there that we also have to take out. And what else? I think that's it, actually. Is that it? Yo, actually, that is it. But doing this part right here is probably the most difficult part because you have to open something in the back to get this out. And that junk is a pain in the ass. Man, I'm so scared to show you guys around the car because there's something that I got from my brother too. Bruh, made my car look 10 times better. But I'm about to show you guys that later on. But we about to get started on this because it's probably gonna take probably an hour or so. Maybe not, I don't know, it could probably take quicker, but I'm about to get this done. See, this star right here is the thing that we need to get one of the bolts out. And we need this 18 right here too, because there's another bolt on the other side that you have to hold, so then that star thing will come out. But what? Like what? Better hold straight. I'm not gonna have a part 2. What happened to me, boy?
I was gonna get the start.
Alright. But yeah, this is my brother right here. He about to help me with all this. Feel me? He be clutching with all the good stuff.
Come on, bro.
It's not gripping good, bro. Go. Holy damn, boy. About to strip my bolt. Oh wait.
Holy fuck.
Oh snap, the bolt about to get lost. Yeah, there's something beaming, but part 2 right here, gotta get this 18 socket and then take the end link out that's up there, right here. Make this man all the way down, bro. Make it all the way.
It's not gonna fit. What the fuck? Wow, that shit just slid right down.
What slid?
This.
Oh, damn. Yeah. Well, that makes it easier for you. So now you gotta get the 3 bolts up there, ain't it?
Nah, you gotta take this out first.
I mean, yeah, we gotta take this out, but after that, it's 3 bolts up there, and then take this out. But since this slid down, we straight. Huh?
You lose that 18.
Really?
I don't know, that shit's
Oh, I see it. Alright, so we got the end link out,
Shit's
but
not going down, kid.
this is gonna be the biggest
Wait, what
problem.
the fuck? Hold on.
What?
Hold on.
What?
Hold on.
Scary.
Wait.
See
I'm
this
trying
right
to
here?
remember.
To get it down, bro, it's gonna be the biggest thing to do.
Is that part of the thing?
What thing?
Is this part of this? That's what it looked like. It looked like it came off.
No.
You sure?
No, it's flat, bro. You would have felt a little bump.
No, I'm talking about this shit. Look like it's part of this, that it came out of this.
Oh.
See what I mean?
Snap. Hey, chill out, bro.
Damn,
Don't tell me I messed my shit up.
Let me see the hammer. Where is it?
Mind you. I got it. Is that part of that?
That's what it look like. Bro, I think it is, bro.
So what? What does that mean?
I told you you needed that shit, bro, to open this, bro.
Bro, I'm about to open this right now. Well, guys, you got to do the other side, because on this side, on the right side that we were doing, the CV joint hits the sway link, so the coil doesn't drop anymore. So that means we have to take the fucking CV joint out and do all that, and that's a whole process. So forget that. We're just gonna do the other side because it's easier than the freaking right side. So now we gotta do all that process again. We're so close, so close. But Kill. About to do this all over again. Fucking bro, we are struggling with this right now. And now the rain, every time I do something, the rain, it always rains. I don't know why. It's like I have a curse. Work on my car, it rains. We are in the struggle right now, man. The strut's about like inches from coming out. We just can't get it out. Now we're trying to take the 3 bolts that are up here out.
God,
see if it just
damn,
drops.
bro.
But there you go. Put some force into it, dog.
Yeah, I don't know how the fuck we gonna get that last one.
I don't know. Don't make me do all the work.
Nah, G shit. But I don't know how we get the last one.
Bro, I got small hands, dog.
It's not that. This shit's not gonna fit back there.
I'm gonna make it fit, bro. Damn, dog, it's such a struggle, and I'm trying to finish this before one, the sun goes down, and 2, my dad gets home because it's about to start snapping on us. Guys, man, we ran into so many problems, yo. Like, I didn't want to record because it was starting to get dark, and I was just trying to rush it because my dad was coming too. My dad be snapping. He don't like when I do stuff at home. Ever since my finger got cut off, he don't like when I do stuff at home. He likes me to go to his shop, you know, do work there because it's more. He got more stuff to hold the car, you know what I'm saying? But what's it called? We got it in. Like, we got it in. You feel me? The only thing was the strut. I think it was like way too long. So, and also there was this little thing that was part of the coil too, and we had a vice grip that because it kept slipping off and it kept making the coil long, as you could say. So we had a vice grip that little circular thing that was around it, and then just knocked the whole CV joint, all that down, and then the strut just came out, boop, and then we just put everything back. We just basically what we did in the beginning, just taking all those nuts off. We just, you know, put it all back. But, you know, it was kind of a bad install video, you guys, but I did my best to do it within a couple hours, you feel me? But I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, you feel me? But don't worry, there's gonna be way more better videos than that. I'm making more videos, trust me. I got stuff coming. Just wait on it, bruh. Videos are coming out. I'm done being lazy and all that. Like I said it before, but G, bruh, I got stuff coming in. But I hope you guys like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.